In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve chemistry equations in Perplexity. First, log into Perplexity so your session is saved and you can easily revisit explanations. Once you're in, you're ready to ask for help on any chemistry equation, whether it's balancing a reaction or working through stoichiometry. Having an active session also makes it easier to ask follow-up questions without losing context. Next, type a detailed prompt. Be as specific as possible. Include the full chemical equation exactly as written, using proper formulas, and if you have them, state symbols like S, L, G, or AQ. Clearly say what you want. For example, please balance this equation and explain each step, or solve for the amount of product given these starting quantities. If you have values, include them up front. You might write, given 500 grams of sodium reacting with excess chlorine, how many grams of sodium chloride form? Show the mole conversions, molar masses, and final answer with correct significant figures. You can also specify conditions like temperature and pressure or concentrations if the problem involves gases or solutions. Asking for a step-by-step explanation ensures you'll see the logic behind each move, from identifying the limiting reagent to converting between grams, moles, and liters. When Perplexity returns a solution, take a moment to review it carefully. Check that the equation is balanced by verifying atoms on both sides match and that charge, if applicable, is conserved. Look over the stoichiometry. Confirm molar masses used, the mole ratios from the balanced equation, and all unit conversions. If something seems unclear, ask targeted follow-up prompts. For example, say, can you show how you converted grams of reactant to moles? Or please recheck the balancing. Oxygen atoms don't seem to match. You can ask it to annotate each coefficient in the equation, justify the limiting reagent choice, or rework the solution with a different unit, such as liters at standard temperature and pressure. If you're practicing, request a similar problem with new numbers and then ask for a solution outline so you can compare your work. It's also helpful to ask, can you summarize the method in 3 sentences to cement the process in your memory? That's the workflow. Log in, craft a precise prompt with your equation, desired outcome, and given values. Then review the response and use follow-up questions to clarify stoichiometry, verify units, and reinforce your understanding with a practice variation. With clear inputs and thoughtful checks, Perplexity becomes a powerful partner for mastering chemistry problems.